Hello everyone, I am Mr. Arvind Kute and welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss some multiple choice questions which are very useful for the second year backlog examination of BA, which is also going to be conducted with TYBA examination. Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune has declared examination schedule of final year student and also declared timetable of their second year's backlog papers too. However, students do not understand exactly how to prepare for this examination or for backlog papers. I have created a questionnaire on SYBA compulsory English to help students for this exam. Please watch this video towards the end to get the complete set of important questions and don't forget to watch my video of TYBA compulsory English. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for not to miss important videos. Let's discuss some specific questions from the questionnaire. Question number 1. Which of the following, according to the Gandhiji, is an essential principle of Satyagraha? A. Infinite capacity for suffering. B. Non-violence. C. Truth. D. All of the three. The correct answer is all the three. Which one of the following book is the work of Gandhiji? A. Light of India. B. Hind Swaraj. C. My Experiment with Truth. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is My Experiment with Truth. Phatik Chakravarti was ringleader dash the boys of the village. A. Between. B. Among. C. And. D. With. The correct answer is among. The owner of the dash will be angry and surprised and they will all enjoy the fun. A. Log. B. Bog. C. Wog. D. Fog. The correct answer is log. Makhan heard the order and made it a dash of honor to stick on. A. Joint. B. Point. C. Point. D. Socket. Correct answer is C. Point. All the other boys dash themselves hoarse with delight. A. Crowd. B. Shout. C. Gather. D. Shouted. B. Shout. Makhan rushed at Phatik and scratched his and beat him and kicked him. A. Face. B. Case. C. Chase. D. Lace. The correct answer is A. Face. A letter by Hazlitt to his son is written by A. William Hazlitt. B. Charles Hazlitt. C. Stephen Hazlitt. D. George Hazlitt. The correct answer is William Hazlitt. William Hazlitt was A. dramatist. B. Poet. C. Novelist. D. Essayist. Correct answer is D. Essayist. Which style of writing is used in this lesson? A. Epistolary. B. Narrative. C. Descriptive. D. Fictional. The correct answer is A. Epistolary. Freedom of the press is an A. Essay. B. Speech. C. Novel. D. Poem. The correct answer is an essay. The essay Freedom of the Press is written by A. Shashi Tharoor. B. Shashi Kapoor. C. Shashi Deshpande. D. None. The correct answer is A. Shashi Tharoor. This is written on the occasion of A. World Press Freedom Day. B. Independence Day. C. Republic Day. D. Cultural Day. The correct answer is World Press Freedom Day. What was the name of Mansfield's first collection of stories? A. Bliss and Other Stories. B. In a German Pension. C. The Garden Party and Other Stories. D. The Dove's Nest and Other Stories. The correct answer is Bliss and Other Stories. Who was Mansfield's second husband? John Mansfield, B. John Middleton Murray, C. John Galsworthy, D. John Paul Jones. The correct answer is John Middleton Murray. And while we are at it, what was Mansfield's real name? A. Kathleen Mansfield Beauchamp, B. Catherine Mansfield Beauchamp, C. Catherine Mansfield Beauchamp, D. Kathleen Fairfield Beauchamp. Correct answer is C. Catherine Mansfield Beauchamp. What did John C. wish to paint? A. The Bay of Naples, B. The Last Leaf, C. A romantic sunset, D. The Mediterranean. The correct answer is A. The Bay of Naples. Which tree leaves did John C. keep counting as they fell? A. Maple tree, B. An ivory vine tree, C. A cedar tree, D. An oak tree. The correct answer is B. An ivy vine tree. Which of the following is not a theme of the short story? A. Ambition, B. Pessimism, C. Friendship, D. Self-sacrifice. Here I am talking about the short story The Last Leaf, and the correct answer is A. Ambition. The short story The Last Leaf was written by A. O. Henry, B. Mark Twain, C. Edgar Allan Poe, D. Oscar Wilde. The correct answer is A. O. Henry. The setting of the story in November 1899 in Washington, B. New York, C. Greenwich, D. Texas. The correct answer is C. Greenwich. I hope this video will be useful for your preparation for the backlog paper of SYBA Compulsory English. To download a set of important multiple choice questions, visit the link given in the description box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.